What's up guys, it's Sean from Tint Warriors, and today in this vehicle specific video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the door panels on this 2023 GMC Sierra. This is going to be a Denali 1500. I'm just going to show you on the front doors. It's a little bit different than the 2021 or the previous body style. So instead of having a screw behind the handle here, we only have 2 screws behind the pull area right here, I guess you could call it, and then there's 2 screws on the bottom, and it's pretty much the same as the previous model. So we're going to go from the top here. We're going to grab a hook tool, and there's a little notch in the back. I'll show you after I get it out. So you see the little notch right there, you stick the hook tool in there and pull it straight up. You got 2 7mm down here, so we'll go ahead and take those out really quick. And there's 2 7mm on the bottom. And then we're going to grab the panel from the front edge where it overhangs and give it a quick pull back and just work our way up to the top and then slide it up once it's all released. Once we got that out, we'll grab the gasket, remove it, put the lock pin back in the hole on the door panel, line it up, and just pop the bottom back in. Keep the top away. Now we'll go through a bottom loading install. So roll the window down and we'll prep it up. After we install the film, of course, I'll show you how to reassemble. All right, we got the window all tinted. We can put the gasket back in. So to do that, just pull away on the top of the panel, slide the gasket back into place, like so, just straight down. And then we're gonna keep the lock pin in this hole here, and we're gonna hold the panel in place, but pop the bottom back away. And then doing this releases the bottom so we can lift it up, slide it back on top of the gasket, and then push down. So we wanna hook it back on top of the gasket, line up all the pins or clips, and slap it back into place. Get all those clips to reset. And we're gonna put the 2 7mm in this handle right here, and then the 2 on the bottom. Put the mat back in here, and then we'll be all done. Mat back in. Wipe down the drip marks, of course. All right guys, now that is how you disassemble and reassemble the door panel on the front doors of a 2023 GMC Sierra. I'll see you guys in the next one.